Pick up. To collect someone or something. I'll pick you up at 6. He picked up the phone quickly. Drop off. To leave someone or something at a place. I'll drop you off at school. She dropped off the package. Pick up. To answer a call. Please pick up the phone. He picked up after the 3rd ring. Hang up. To end a call. She hung up angrily. Don't hang up on me. Pick up. Lift something. He picked up the book. Pick up your clothes. Put down. Place something down. Put down the bag here. She put down her pen. Drop off. Fall asleep. I dropped off during the movie. He dropped off while reading. Wake up. Stop sleeping. Wake up, it's morning. I woke up late today. Mess up. Make dirty or confused. Don't mess up your room. I messed up the answer. Tidy up. Make clean or organized. Tidy up your desk. She tidied up her clothes. Turn on. Start something electronic feeling. Turn on the light. He turned on the TV. Turn off. Stop something. Turn off your phone. She turned off the fan. Fill up. Make full. Fill up the glass. The tank is filling up. Empty out. Remove everything. Empty out the drawer. She emptied out her bag.